Hello everyone, DJ Ethan Stone here, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing video of the Roland Go Mixer Pro X, and I also have with me today the case that goes along with it. So without any further ado, let's open her up. So inside we have the mixer right here, and it also comes with 3 cables and your instruction manual. One of the cables being your USB power supply. Obviously this thing is also battery powered. You can put in 4 AA's right into this compartment after it's fully unscrewed. Like that. So that's the reason I bought this thing, by the way, is so that I had a battery powered mixer. Just something for emergencies where I actually had this happen last weekend, which is why I bought this. I had a wedding where the couple did not let me know that the power to the ceremony was 1,000+ feet away in a building, like a football field away. So I had to use my Bose S1, which thankfully was charged in my car. I had just purchased that like 2 weeks prior. And it saved the day. It was a great battery-powered speaker, but it could have been a little louder. So I thought to myself, because I had the volume at max and it still wasn't as loud as I would have liked. So just to, force out a little bit more volume, I thought having this battery-powered mixer would be awesome. So the cool thing also, sometimes I have musicians for ceremony, and this actually has stereo inputs, stereo 1/4-inch inputs for, say, a piano. And it also has a 1/4-inch input for guitar, bass, and also an XLR input, obviously, for the mic, and then controls for all 3 of those. You have your piano, your guitar, and your mic, and then you have independent gain control for both your headphones and your master output. So that is awesome. You also can have a line in for up to 2 1/8-inch headphone jack size devices. So 1/8-inch headphone jack being one of these, which is the included headphone jack cable. So I'll just plug that in to show you. And so that's going to be your iPad or your phone or whatever. Now you might have to get a dongle to convert to USB-C or whatever. It does include this dongle, which converts to your older iPhones. So I'm really excited about this thing. I think what I'm going to do is just kind of finish this unboxing video, and then I'll make a separate review in the field showing this off at a gig, hopefully this weekend, to give you a sense. But so far, what I can say is it's very light and plasticky. It does not feel super robust, which makes me really glad I bought this case. Actually, let's take this opportunity to put everything in there and see how it fits. Because, don't want this thing being broken when I'm trying to use it. And it definitely is not like built like all of my other professional grade stuff that's like metal housing and whatnot. But yeah, it looks like this probably goes under here like that. And then you have this area here for all of your cables and whatnot. You have 3 cables that are included with it, and an instruction manual, etc. So my first impression is I'm really happy with what I have here, because I know that in a pinch, as long as everything works as it should, these options of having the ability to mix in, say, a live musician plus a singer, plus have an input for the music for the ceremony running off of either my laptop, my iPad, or my phone, plus being able to have the wireless mic input for the officiant. It's all like so clutch. I can also use this same for cocktail hour. Certainly wouldn't need this for dinner or anything else. I'd be using my full-on Pioneer mixer for that. So will I use this on every gig? No. I actually have great speakers that have a lot of these inputs on them, have all of these inputs on them already, except for when I'm in a pinch where there's, say, a battery powered situation required. And in that case, those speakers can't be used. So I'm limited to my battery powered speakers, which have fewer inputs. And so this will enable me to make sure that no matter what the power circumstances of a gig are, I will be good to go. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a review of the Roland Go Mixer Pro X. I bought this one particularly on Amazon, and I'm super stoked because I just like to sleep at night knowing that no matter what curveballs come at me on my gigs, I'm going to be able to take care of the client, make sure everyone's 100% happy. And this is just one more added layer of protection to say, hey, even if there's no power, or God forbid the power goes out at the venue, I still have what I need to rock your wedding. Because at this point I have this mixer, plus I just ordered my second Bose S1 speaker. I should probably do a review of those because I bought the first one, loved it so much, I immediately turned around and bought another one. And the Bose S1 basically are on sale right now because they are kind of getting phased out and replaced by the latest and greatest model. But I'm already like stoked on the value of the discounted speaker. Plus, I think it's a really great speaker on its own. Even if the new model has new features, I think it's great. So if you are like me, a DJ or entertainer who needs to just make sure that if you're without power in a remote place, or if the power goes out, you're still going to be good to go, I definitely recommend picking one of these up, as well as a pair of Bose S1 battery powered speakers. And what else can I say? I will do a field demonstration of the Roland Go Mixer along with the Bose speakers, so look out for that video. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Peace and love to everyone, and I'll see you next time. Peace.